Hey, what's up YouTube? Fizzmaster here, and today I will be playing Minecraft. Also joining me today is Dominatra.
Demonasta.
Sorry, it's very hard to
From
pronounce.
BC Gaming. How? It's Demonasta.
Hush.
Demonasta.
But yeah, I'll be playing with Demonasta. He's from BC Gaming, and yeah, let's go. We'll be playing Survival.
Corrupt download. What?
It's nothing.
Oh, it's nothing. Survival easy on. Yeah,
I'm putting on a bonus chest. Is that alright?
Yeah, that works.
To help us out a little bit.
Kind of makes it more like
We're getting a little boost.
Hungercraft. Haha. You look at me like I hate you. I fucking hate you. Stupid bitch.
That's the name of the video now. Hungercraft. Welcome to Hungercraft.
Okay, let me join in.
Masturbation.
Do not leave. Hey, look, chest.
Where the fuck did you spot?
Next to the chest. Oh, wait, stick, bread, boom.
Hey.
I'm taking the good stuff.
Hey. Okay, but anyways, we're gonna be doing.
Oh, I mined the dirt too. Did you take the chest?
Yeah.
Give me my chest.
Sorry. I have something to tell you.
What? That queerness though. Okay, so how many torches do you have? 2?
I have
Here's a
2.
third.
Now we have
Okay.
3 all together.
Okay, I think first of all we need to get wood. I'm just gonna do this. Sorry about that.
I'm gonna go get the sheep.
Sorry about that. No, we don't need beds, just wood to build a
I don't care.
just
I see
build
the
craft
shrooms.
blocks.
I see the shrooms.
Okay, guys, sorry about the door.
I had to shut it.
Fizzmaster's brother is kind of a douche and interrupts videos.
Yeah. So if you end up seeing Logan, yeah, you remember him from our Naruto video? Yeah, he can be mean sometimes, but he's a really good friend.
Yeah.
At times.
Oh wait, where did you go? Why did we separate? That's not good.
On the sheep.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna go explore and try finding a.
No, don't leave me.
Oh, turn around. Look, I turn around. I'm on the hill.
Okay, first of all, why does the first player's color have to be black? The hardest color to see in this damn world.
Hey, it's fine. Come on. Okay.
Where did I get 8 jungle tree saplings?
From the box.
Ah.
Oh, keep them. We'll use
Yeah,
them for a
I'm
tree
gonna
farm. Okay, so I'm kind of thinking we should try finding the mountains to build our house on a mountain.
Rocky Hill bound?
This is the desert. This doesn't work.
It looks like there's water.
Is that a
there. We
village?
can make a fucking beach.
I don't want to make a beach.
Oh.
Go get that sugar cane over to the corner back there.
All the way over there.
Yeah.
I'll go get some other stuff too.
I'll get some
Like
cactus.
sand for glass. I'm not gonna stop running though. Every time I run into the glass.
Oh my god, stupid account.
Oh hell yeah!
What? Oh, you found a village?
Sweet. Thanks
Awesome.
for telling me to come over here. I got a head start on getting everything.
Don't take anything, and only mind the bottom one, dude.
Okay.
Don't take anything from the village yet.
Not
We'll
yet.
live here until we can find somewhere to put our
Probably
stuff.
live.
No, we can live here if there's resources
Oh fuck yeah,
available.
there's a cave. There's a ravine next to it.
Is there a garden? Yes, there is. Okay,
There's
cool.
a lot. Dude, there's a ravine, and it goes into the village.
Yeah, I think we're gonna live here.
Well, this is just like a fucking drop that they come to each year to suicide once in a while. Don't do that, kids. It's bad.
I found horse armor, golden horse armor. I'm stealing
I
that.
like how you say don't steal anything, and after I get distracted, you're like, oh, mine.
It's fine. Oh my god.
I round.
All right, I know how to use the furnace. Okay. Okay, get out of my No, I need that. All right.
Meat. Get in my belly.
So oh my
Ooh,
god.
there's a cave here too.
I hate when this happens. I hate
Oh,
when this happens.
what'd you do?
Mm.
What'd you do? Oh.
The garden lost a block. Okay, so
You missed a lot of blocks. There's one right here too.
you stay here if you want. I am gonna go try finding mountains.
Oh wait, I want to come with.
Okay,
Come on, let me go grab
Come
all
on.
this food then.
I've got bread.
Need it.
I've got bread.
Do you have carrots?
I've got 1 carrot.
Villagers, I'm sorry, fuck your livestock.
Alright, yeah, we can do this. Replant it if you can, because I know you're gonna get seeds. Go away.
Take inventory. I like how now they update it to. Sorry guys. I love how they updated it to have. You're stuck at the table, sir. How you have 50 achievements now. It actually has something you can work for now,
Yeah, nice.
which is good.
Alright, find me. Find me. Find me. Find me.
I found you.
Okay, we're gonna go that way.
Will do. Can we kill these cows? We didn't even make a weapon. Can you make a crafting table, please?
We don't need it.
Ugh.
If we have to, we'll dig in a hole. We'll live in a hole for the night. Make a crafting table and make
Basic
weapons.
Minecraft rules. Get up in the morning. Hell yeah, we can do this. Later in the night, I can't do this. I can't run no more.
Here's some bread.
Feed me.
Can you run? Can you run?
I have a feeling there's a village right around the corner because of the this thing. Oh, it's beautiful in here. I like this biome. This biome's my favorite.
Yeah, it looks nice, but it's not the safest at night.
Nope.
Yeah, no, like it's completely stupid. Like it's like, oh, peaceful biome. Oh my God, there's a cave I almost fell in.
What?
Oh. Turn around. No, not that way. What are you doing? Where did you go? Oh, did you just fall more?
No.
You, come on. Come on.
I got out.
Alright.
And I didn't even need your block. I fell in again.
Good job.
Okay. I'm falling in every cave I can find. Swamp!
I went right after I hit the swamp. So turn right. I'm not on the beach though.
Will you slow the hell down? I'm still getting low on food.
I'm not even running.
Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see your green little dot. I see your light green dot in this forest of green.
Oh, don't fall in that cave! I fell in the cave.
Nice. I'm falling in with you. We're passing like lots of iron and that was gravel.
Okay.
Watch me parkour this shit.
Fail.
Sweet.
That's exactly how
Damn
it was a tree. I should have mined that so you didn't die.
I didn't die.
Oh, the mountains! The mountains! Yay!
Ravine! Oh shit.
Don't die.
I'm not. You found a mountain. Good job.
Yeah.
Are we living in the mountain? Please tell me we are.
What?
Please tell me we're living in the mountain. It looks
We're
like
living
a mob
on the
trap.
mountain.
Our world is like a death trap with holes.
It is. Kill Dakota. Oh yeah. Oops. It's okay. They don't know who he is
Yeah.
yet. He's a nobody right now, honestly.
Dakota, you failure. No, my food. Like, you're my food source. Oh, you're up the hill.
Yeah, I am. So, are there any mountains on here? Wait, let's see. Is there? I don't think there's a mountain.
Alright, guys.
Jack's in here. I need you to come help me right now.
What?
Somebody left the front door open. I think Jack's got out.
Okay, guys, we will be right back. Goodbye.